think that Victoria, we've accepted to some extent that mass production has left New Zealand. The jobs coming for young people are going to be very different. So we really actively and aggressively look for what's coming. And I think for 3D printing for New Zealand can be a really good fit. A country full of great ideas. It's the perfect place to use the technology. Some of the latest programs which are free and just so easy to use, literally a 5-year-old could use them. Instead of inputting in numbers and digital data, you simply move sliders. And they start with a template of, say, a shell, and then you manipulate the shell, you can move it, you can change the proportions of it, you can turn it into a lattice, and then once you decide that's what you want, you just push print. And so it's a very different way to actually start pulling ideas out of yourself. They're not really coming from you, the computer prompts you as to what might be possible. The filament I used in the speakers I made was a timber filament. It's an interesting material. It's made of timber dust and then a biopolymer called PLA. And PLA is a biopolymer made from corn derivatives. We're trying to get back to some quite natural materials, which I think is a really interesting idea. Working with Stratasys, which is the biggest 3D print company in the world, they've given us beta test software. And that means we can do work that is ahead of the machines that are currently available. And we feed back into them the types of things we need in machines so they can develop new ones. So with the software that Stratasys have given us, we can make creatures that can move so they can become like animated puppetry. We lead the world at that. It's a particular thing we've developed expertise around. Filmmaking with 3D printing I think will be very interesting. We work pretty closely with Weta Workshop. We have done for quite a few years. I think our role at Victoria is to push them, is to keep making sure they're ahead of the game. Once you start getting additive manufacturing as the technical term for 3D printing, that's quite similar to biology in the way cells divide and build from nothing up. We're starting to see more synergy with bioengineering than traditional mechanical engineering. I think there's a lot of ethical issues coming too, and I think that's something Victoria's very good at, looking at things like the politics of it, the philosophy of it, even theology. I think if we start 3D printing biology, there's some big questions there, and I think we're the perfect place to answer those more complex philosophical ones. I think it's going to be a really fascinating world going into these more complex opportunities.